The first thing I have is chicken breast. I am going to prep my chicken breast and cut them in fillet, and then I'll go ahead and cut them in little long strips like so, and I will add my 1 tablespoon lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'll mix everything together, and I will saute my onions. This is red onions. You can use yellow onions or whatever onions you have, but red onion has a lot of vitamins, so I prefer using red onions most of the time. To season the chicken, I'm adding some grated ginger, minced garlic, crushed pepper, cumin seeds, and some salt. So I'll mix everything together and I'll cover it up for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will go ahead and add my vegetables. So here I'm adding some yellow squash, celery stalks, mushrooms. I thinly sliced the mushrooms, and some carrot, English cucumbers. You can use any cucumbers, or even better, you can use zucchini. If you have zucchini where you live, it's perfect here. So I'm adding some assorted peppers, yellow, red, and orange peppers. To make my thickener, I add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into a bowl. Add a little bit of water to dissolve the cornstarch and add it to the chicken. So this step you can skip, but it makes the difference. It makes the curry stew so thick and beautiful, and it tastes good. At this point, go ahead and add about a teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Curry powder is fine. Actually, that's what I'm supposed to use, but because I'm cooking this whole family and I have toddlers, I don't want it to be tense with heat. So I will top it off with black olives, and that's it. I am done with this stew. It goes well with rice, bread, yam, and anything that you so wish to have it with. You are not limited with this stew. It tastes delicious. It has a lot of vegetables. You can actually add more vegetables than I have used, and it's amazing.